Have you ever wondered what makes a region truly thrive? Is it just big factories and shiny skyscrapers? Today, we're diving deep into the story of a state that's rewriting the rules of growth in India. We're talking about Tamil Nadu, a place that's quietly become an economic powerhouse. And the secret to its success is not what you might think. It's a fascinating tale of smart policies, social progress, and a unique cultural identity that has propelled it to the top. So how did this southern state become one of India's fastest-growing economies? Let's find out. When you think of India's economic hubs, cities like Mumbai or Bangalore might come to mind first. But Tamil Nadu has been climbing the ranks at a remarkable pace. It's now the second-largest state economy in the country, just behind Maharashtra. Its GDP is massive, larger than that of many countries. But here's the most impressive part. This growth isn't just about big numbers. It's about how that wealth is distributed. Tamil Nadu has one of the lowest poverty rates among major states and a high human development index. This means the benefits of its economic boom are reaching more people, leading to better lives, better education, and better healthcare. So this isn't just a story of wealth. It's a story of well-being. To understand Tamil Nadu's success, we have to go back in time. The seeds were sown long before the tech boom. In the 1960s, a strong social justice movement took hold, emphasizing education and healthcare for everyone, especially those from marginalized communities. Leaders like K. Kamaraj introduced revolutionary ideas, like the midday meal scheme in schools, which not only fought malnutrition but also dramatically increased school attendance, especially for girls. This focus on human capital investing in people created a well-educated and healthy workforce decades later. It was a long-term vision that paid off spectacularly. This foundation of social development is the bedrock upon which its economic skyscraper was built. Fast forward to the 1990s, when India opened up its economy, Tamil Nadu was ready. It didn't just rely on one industry. Instead, it diversified. It became a manufacturing giant, earning the nickname the Detroit of India for its booming automobile industry. Global brands like Hyundai, Ford, and BMW set up massive plants here. But it didn't stop there. The state also embraced the tech revolution, with Chennai emerging as a major IT and software services hub. And let's not forget textiles. Cities like Tirupur became global centers for textile and apparel manufacturing, exporting to the biggest brands worldwide. This strategy of not putting all its eggs in one basket created a resilient and dynamic economy. So what makes Tamil Nadu so attractive to investors? It's a combination of smart governance and incredible infrastructure. The state has a reputation for being business-friendly, with stable policies and an efficient bureaucracy that cuts through red tape. More importantly, it has invested heavily in infrastructure. It boasts a network of major ports like Chennai and Thoothukudi, which are crucial for trade. Its road and rail networks are among the best in the country, and it has several international airports. Perhaps most critically, Tamil Nadu is a power surplus state, meaning businesses don't have to worry about the power cuts that plague many other regions. This reliable infrastructure is a massive competitive advantage. But the real secret weapon? It's people. Thanks to decades of investment in education, Tamil Nadu has a vast pool of skilled labor. From high-end engineers for the tech and auto industries to skilled technicians for its factories, the state has the human resources to power its growth. The emphasis on education also means it has one of the highest gross enrollment ratios in higher education in India. This creates a virtuous cycle. An educated population attracts high-quality jobs, and the availability of those jobs encourage more people to pursue education. It's a powerful engine for both social mobility and economic prosperity. Another key factor is the state's balanced development. Unlike some regions where growth is concentrated in a single capital city, Tamil Nadu has fostered multiple industrial and urban centers. Cities like Coimbatore, Madurai, Tiruchirappalli, Salem, and Hosur are all major economic hubs in their own right. Coimbatore is a center for engineering and textiles, Hosur is an electronics manufacturing hotspot, and so on. This decentralization spreads the benefits of development more evenly across the state, reduces the pressure on Chennai, and creates opportunities for people in different regions. It's a model of inclusive growth that many others are trying to emulate. Looking ahead, Tamil Nadu is not resting on its laurels. The state has set an ambitious goal to become a $1 trillion economy by 2030. To get there, it's focusing on the industries of the future. It's rapidly becoming a leader in electric vehicle manufacturing, with companies like Ola Electric setting up the world's largest e-scooter factory there. It's also making huge strides in renewable energy, particularly wind power. Furthermore, it's investing in advanced sectors like electronics manufacturing, aiming to attract global giants looking to diversify their supply chains. The vision is clear: to transition from a manufacturing-led economy to a knowledge-based, innovation-driven powerhouse. Of course, the journey isn't without its challenges. Managing water resources, ensuring sustainable urbanization, and bridging the remaining gaps in inequality are ongoing priorities. But Tamil Nadu's story offers a powerful lesson. It shows that true sustainable growth isn't just about economic policies. It's about investing in people. It's about building a society where everyone has the opportunity to succeed. By prioritizing social justice, education, and healthcare, Tamil Nadu created a foundation of human capital that has become its greatest economic asset. The state's success is a testament to long-term vision and inclusive policies. It proves that when you lift up the most vulnerable, you lift up the entire economy. It is a model that combines the dynamism of a market economy with a strong commitment to social welfare. As India continues its journey to become a global economic leader, the Tamil Nadu story provides a compelling blueprint for what is possible. Thank you so much for watching. What do you think is the most important factor in Tamil Nadu's success? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video insightful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more deep dives into the stories shaping our world. See you in the next video.